So in this video today, I'm going to put a water pressure regulator on my RV, and I purchased this one. It's a Regulator, and it's adjustable with a knob on the top to adjust your water pressure coming out of the ground. So this is supposed to be preset at 45 psi. So we're going to see what it is coming out of the ground. So as you can see, the water line comes out of the ground, and I have a myriad of hoses here. The blue ones are for the water softener that goes from the ground, and it circles around into the water softener that we have in this shed, and then it comes out the other side, and it wraps around, and it goes into the RV. So first things first, I have to turn the water off, of course, and then disconnect the hose in order to put the regulator on. So I had to dig this hole out a little bit in order for me to get the regulator in there, so I can put that box back over it. So as you can see, I got the pressure regulator hooked up, and now I got to attach a hose to it in order to flush it out for 1 minute. So I did all that. I flushed the hoses out and got all the air out of the lines, and as you can see, if you can, I'm only putting out not even 35 psi. So what they say to do is I can adjust it right here to increase it or decrease it. In this case, I want to increase it to at least 45. So let's see what it does here. It's not really doing that much. In fact, it's going down, so I guess I got to turn it the other way. Let's see here. Increase. There, it's going up now. So I can only get it up to it says it's up to about 48 right now. So I'm going to leave it at that and see what it does. And if there's any fluctuation when I go inside or tonight, I can always adjust it. They say this thing is preset at 45. It's going up and down a little bit, so I'll have to just keep playing with it. But that's about it. Yes, it's going down, so I have to keep adjusting it to make sure it goes up a little higher. Because as you can see from before, I was only putting out like 38 psi, which was really low. And so we'll play with it. That's about it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a comment below. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if not, we hope you do subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. To be continued.